In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion to track your subscriptions. We're going to build a simple subscription tracker from scratch so you can see all of your recurring payments in one place. This is a great way to stay organized, avoid surprise renewals, and get a clearer picture of how much you are spending each month or year. Start by opening a blank Notion page. In the body of the page, type /table. Then choose Table View under the Database options. This will create a database table that you can fully customize for subscription tracking. Once the table appears, click New Database and give it a clear name. Like subscriptions, naming it properly helps keep your workspace organized, especially if you use Notion for multiple areas of your life or work. Next, set up the essential properties that will hold the information for each subscription. The first property is Name. This is where you'll enter the name of each service you pay for, such as a streaming platform, software tool, or financial service. After that, add a category property and make it a select field. This lets you label each subscription by type, such as entertainment, productivity, or finance, which makes it easier to group similar services together later. Then add a cycle property, also using a select field. This is where you'll indicate how often the payment repeats. For example, monthly or yearly. After that, create a cost property and set it as a number field. Be sure to format it in your local currency so the amounts are easy to read at a glance. Now add a renewal date property using the date type. This is especially useful for keeping track of your next billing date or the end of a free trial. If needed, you can also set reminders here so Notion alerts you before a charge happens. Finally, add a status property. You can use either a status field or a checkbox to show whether a subscription is currently active or inactive or canceled. Once your table is filled in, you can start using Notion's built-in tools to make the tracker even more useful. At the bottom of the cost column, hover and click Calculate. Then choose Sum. This will instantly show you the total cost of your subscriptions, giving you a quick overview of your spending. You can also create a filtered view for active services only. Click the View tab. Duplicate your main table and rename the new view Active Subscriptions. Then apply a filter so it only displays entries where the status is marked active. To make renewal tracking even easier, add a calendar view based on the renewal date property. This gives you a visual schedule of upcoming bills, so you always know what's due and when. With just these simple settings, your Notion subscription tracker becomes a clean, practical system you can update anytime.